Hello friends, today I wanna show you, it's like unboxing, but I've got those two small bags in store, Walmart. So I will show you two bags that I've got, that are really cute and I like them, and I recommend. Links will be down below. So first bag is this one. It's from brand called Love and Sports. As you can see, it's really nice bag. It's a really small one, but I really love the color, and I wanted some small bag for example, as a crossbody. You can wear it like on the walk. You can have phone with you or some wallet and other things. The brand is called Love and Sports. One size. And actually this tag is also a sticker. And now I'll show you the bag. The bag looks like this. It has long strap. And it has also those snaps here, which opens like so. You can remove it or put it on. And this snap has Love and Sports on it, like this one. You can wear also this one, like so. And inside it comes also with this. You can hang it in your closet. Here it has a logo. It has this snap opening. Here you can put something in, as it has a deep pocket. The mobile, it's right. And then here it opens too, like so. It's inside this red paper, and it has a long, like this long to the end, and it also goes with zipper. Hope it closes, because I'm not closing yet. Yes. So this is very cute bag. You can regulate the belt. I really enjoy this bag. I'm happy I got it. So yeah, and I want to show you a second bag that I've got from the same brand, which is Love and Sports. Same color but different model. It's more like bigger one. So let's show you. So here is the bigger version, and it's like top. Looks like this. Bottom looks like this, and it says Love and Sports. Here it says Love and Sport. It's like half of that. There's two straps. It has also this bigger one here. Big one. Big strap that is also regulated, as you can see. And has even some here regulation. See? Will it focus or not? And here very nice. Inside also is closing and zipper like so here. I'll close it with zipper, and inside is this one big compartment. But here is inside. This is just conception of it, the same shape. Here is the on zipper and some tag. It says no. Oh, this is photos, so you can put here something like that. Line with elegant material actually. So this bag is really good quality. It's like some designer one, but it's just not from leather, but it's from this nice puffy material, and it has cute design and really nice color and details. The attention to details is noticeable, and it was only $40. $48 actually. Yeah, $48 at Walmart. And it has those clips that are good quality, as you can see. But you will have the Love and Sport logo engraved here. And here we have this rotating clip. Yeah, really nice bag for that price. And fashionable. And cute. It's nice shape. It can be this shape of bag is really convenient because it's like Louis Vuitton shape, tote, Louis Vuitton bag shape, you know, and it has that nice strap. Yeah, really nice. And this is also nice. So yeah, that's I wanted to show you. I mean, unbox, and I will put links down below where you can get that bags also. So yeah, that's unboxing of my bag. Hope you enjoy such videos. If you do, don't forget to give thumbs up, subscribe, likes, and see you in the next videos. Bye.